for example, if you want to upgrade your skills with the MLOps, you can do that, right?
Okay.
So as you told, you are a manager.
Yeah.
You will be managing all the things, right? You will be managing. You will be even being a manager. I think you are going through the articles and all. You should be knowing end to end what's happening in the industry. For example, your subordinate or your teammate comes and speaks on some random things, you should not say that I don't know this kind of concept. So that's where your expertise comes into the picture. And you can so how can this be important? That is your question. And everything, Vijay, for managerial kind of thing, I'm teaching. I mean, now the workshop is on completely on the concepts. It's not a, as I told, it's not in regular workshops. And these all things you can implement in your industry, or you can teach your subordinates. And if you speak with the SLOs, SLIs, or something like with these terminology, I can say, and you see the way how you get the response,
Okay,
right?
sure. Yeah, yeah, I'll take offline money. I think
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
interest of
no
time. Yeah.
worries.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Hey,
So
quick
yeah,
question. What is the agenda for this 3 hour workshop? I know we've been doing theory for almost like 45 minutes, I think.
yeah.
Is this the theme of the workshop?
No, there is a demo as well. So
Okay.
once the SRE was done, I'll go into the MLOps. Once MLOps was done, I'll show you the demo of training a model and doing end-to-end kind of creating the endpoints and doing deployment in the doing the deployment in the using Docker, doing the deploy in the Grafana, and you'll see the stats. So that's the agenda of the workshop. So that's what my end goal of the workshop was.
Okay. Got it.